Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the TeamViewer error where it says it's not ready. Please check your connection. And this error is occurring on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just go ahead and open up the start menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and left click on that. So before you proceed, just make sure you have your Wi-Fi passcode nearby, because once we click the Reset Now button, you will have to restart your computer within the next 5 minutes. And once your computer restarts, you will need to enter back in your Wi-Fi password in order to get back access to the internet. And like I said, it's going to restart within 5 minutes, so you probably want to just close out of any open programs you have as well, save your work, and then when you're ready, select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select yes. So you're going to be signed out in 5 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and initiate that myself. I'm just going to go restart the system. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. And if you receive any network sharing requests, you can go ahead and set it to whatever it was before. In terms of if you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs and devices on your network, you can select yes or no. I usually select no. I feel like a lot of people would select yes, but that's just my own personal thing. If you do have shared drives and printers, you might want to enable that. Otherwise, you can select no. You can always change that back later, by the way, as well. But pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.